In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in MS Word in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a report, invitation, or any document that needs a bit of visual flair, adding a border can significantly enhance its overall appearance. So let's dive in and make your document stand out with some simple yet impactful modifications. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Word on your PC or desktop. It's a staple software in most of our digital lives, primarily known for its word processing capabilities. But it's also packed with design features that can make your documents look professionally done with just a few clicks. Once you have Word open, look at the top of the window. You'll see a ribbon filled with various tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and so forth. Navigate your mouse over and click on the Design tab. This tab unlocks a variety of design options for your document, giving you the power to alter its appearance to better suit your needs or preferences. The interface is pretty straightforward, so even if you're new to Word, you'll find navigating through it quite intuitive. After clicking on Design, it's time to focus on setting up the border for your document. Within the Design tab, you'll want to locate and click on Page Borders. This option is specifically dedicated to customizing the borders around your pages. It's a feature that might seem simple at first glance, but as you'll see, it offers a depth of customization that can truly set your document apart. Upon selecting Page Borders, a new window will pop up with several options. This is where the magic happens. Here you have full control over the border style, width, color, and even which pages the border appears on. You can choose from a variety of styles, ranging from simple lines to more intricate designs. Whether you're going for a professional look with a thin, solid line, or perhaps something more playful with dots or dashes, there's something here for every type of document. Furthermore, the option to customize the color and width allows for even finer control over the final look. Picking a color that matches the theme of your document or your company's branding can add a cohesive and professional touch. Meanwhile, adjusting the width of the border can make it as subtle or bold as you'd like. But it doesn't stop there. If you want your border to appear on specific pages only, this is the moment to make that customization. For instance, if you're designing the cover for a report, you might want the border only on the first page. This kind of attention to detail can really elevate the perceived quality of your document. Once you've made all your selections, simply apply the changes, and voila, your document now has a beautifully customized border. It's always a good idea to preview your document to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. If something doesn't seem right, remember it's incredibly easy to go back and tweak the settings until everything is perfect. Before wrapping up, here's a small tip. While adding a border is a fantastic way to improve your document's aesthetics, ensure it complements the content rather than overshadowing it. The border should enhance the readability and visual appeal, not distract from the critical information you're presenting. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a border in MS Word, and as you can see, it's a straightforward process that can make a significant difference in how your documents are perceived. Whether you're preparing a business proposal, personal invite, or course assignment, a well-chosen border can set your document apart and give it that extra polish. Remember, the key to mastering any software is to explore and experiment with its features, so don't stop here. Dive deeper into what MS Word has to offer and uncover even more ways to make your documents shine. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice what you've learned to become proficient at adding borders and enhancing your document designs with MS Word.